Hi guys, and welcome to DIY with Nadia. I'm very excited that you stopped by. This is my first haul for this channel. I purchased all of this before the quarantine started, but I knew that I was starting this channel and I needed to get a lot of things. So let me tell you, I got a lot of things. So once again, welcome to DIY with Nadia. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started with the biggest thing here that's taking up the most space, and it's the florals. So usually Dollar Tree in my area, florals are so hard to get. So I don't know if it was because people already started quarantining and the inventory still was coming in, but florals is something that is so hard to find in my Dollar Tree, but I got them. So I got a few bouquets like this, and it's the one with the lines, and it's very, very beautiful. And then the second one were these, and I basically cleaned them out. I got them, and I think that's what's been happening because I think there's a lot of DIYers in my area here in Chicago, so it's just, I had to clean them up because I have a lot of DIYs and I'm not planning on going anywhere anytime soon. Anyway, so I got these, and then these third one that I got, look at this. This is just the start of my greenery. Are these. Now tell me, you guys, do you have these in your Dollar Tree? This is the first time I'm seeing these. They're kind of gorgeous. I kind of have like the vines. You could see like the very beautiful vines on this one. And I thought it was just so beautiful. So got about 4 or 5 of these also. And then I do love working with this tall grass. It's just a nice way to raise anything that you're doing. And I will, by the way, I will be doing some collabs since my channel, well, this particular channel is new. I will be doing collabs with other DIYers, you know, getting into the community. And you know what? I just cannot be more excited about that, because you know what? YouTube is about getting to know you guys. You are getting to know me, and it's fun and exciting. The first florals we got are these gorgeous spring florals, and they're just called blooming branches. I just thought they were so elegant and pretty, and they are going to be used in a DIY very, very soon. These next ones are absolutely stunning. I bought white ones like this before, but they do have white ones. They do have like white with pink, light pink, and then they had these, and I just thought the colors were so gorgeous. These next ones they're called asters, and they're also this like deep, beautiful fuchsia pink. And I'm somebody who loves gold, like gold vases. These look gorgeous with gold. They absolutely do. And so I got those. I'm going to try to go fast because there's a lot of stuff. And then for pop-up color, especially with those pink ones, these yellow ones will look absolutely stunning. And this is Queen Anne's lace. And hoping my Dollar Tree, when all of this is over, get some white ones in, because this is absolutely gorgeous. Now let's get into something else. I did buy these, but I thought I was gonna get to use them, and I never ended up using them. They're just little Easter eggs on sticks, so I will just leave them for DIYs for next year. I'm sure I can, you know, make use of them next year. Okay, here I just don't even know where to get started. Frames. Got lots of frames. So the first set I got were these 3x5, 3.5x5 frames. And here they are. I got, looks like I got 6 of these. Okay, and stay tuned, by the way. Don't go anywhere, because at the end I'm going to show you something that I got that actually, as a DIYer, I will not be touching because it's so beautiful. Just saying, just saying. Then I bought this beautiful lantern. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but it does light up. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. Do you see that? It has a little light right there. And I'm sure I can figure out how to decorate this really lovely lantern. Okay, so then got some stones. Then got a few vases. I did put, then I got this one. This one I've never seen before. It has like this pebbled kind of outside surface, and it's so beautiful. So I got that one. And then these, I can never get enough of these. I don't know how many I have, but I didn't want to run out because I am planning on DIYing a lot. Then I got these candle holders, you guys, and one is a little taller, one is shorter. And if you've seen DIY videos, people do like to use them as stands, but I was glad that I could find the different levels. Then I did get a plate, and the lady, I know, she kind of like threw it in, and because I didn't have this before, and it like chipped right here. But this is for a DIY that with a collab, and it'll have to do, but I think I'm just gonna take like a nail file or something, sand it off so I'm safe with using it, or maybe somehow hide it in my DIY. I'm not quite sure, but we'll see what we do with that. Then I got a lot more frames. So let me just get this glass out of the way. Okay. So I got this square one. It's very pretty. I got that one. Then I got this one, and this one is, I think, oh, I'm not really sure. I don't see the size on there, but I got a few of these, and it looks like they are the same size. I didn't realize, but they are a different color. This one's like an ivory, and this one's brown. Then I did get one of these. It's the 3-picture frame. Then I got an 8x10, a bigger one like that. Let's see here. Then I did get a few designs like this, and this is like a little, you could make it into a shadow box because it has a side. I did buy this because I just thought something like this can definitely be 4th of July or pretty much kind of any summer holiday because it's just so fun. Something for lemonade, something. Then I got this hanging arrow. Then I found this little board with a heart cut out, and it's a little stand. See, it has a little hole, and then the little, so you could stand it up. Little dowel, I guess, that goes with that. And then there's a little frame. I think I don't know if this is supposed to be like chalk board or something, and it has like a little stand too that it goes on. Then I bought this one. It's Magical Dreams, whatever. But if you look in the back, look how gorgeous this shape is for something. It's really, really pretty. But yeah, as a little kitty, that's definitely going to be changed. Then I actually bought kaleidoscope when I need to rest my eyes from TV or whatever, and I'm just bored. I decided to grab one of these. I feel like I'm behind on all of this adult coloring book, but for $1, whatever, right? Then I did buy 2 of these, and basically if you're a DIYer, what I do is this is like when I have a project in my head, I'll throw everything for the project in one container. And these boxes are actually really, really nice. They're flimsy, I mean, they're not that strong, but I'm not putting anything heavy in there. But I bought 2 just to kind of feel them out and see how I like them. And then I did buy a display easel. There's 2 of them, they're clear, which is kind of nice. Then I got this wooden home And I just think it's just so pretty and so simple, and you could use it in so many projects. Then I got these 3 clay pots. I told you guys, this DIY is insane. I keep on going here. Then I found these, you guys. They are so close to Tiffany blue. It's not even funny. So they're a little bit more on a greener side, I would say, but the color is just so close. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I just could not pass them up. Even if I color them later, they're just cute little buckets, you know, very nice. So this one I'm going to open real quick. I didn't want them because I got 2. Check this out. Can you guys see all the colors that are in there? And I got a second one. It's a little candle holder, but look how absolutely gorgeous. I love iridescent stuff. I do. I really do. Ooh. And so I had to get that. Then I've seen one of the other crafters have this, and it's a finger protector for when you're working with a glue gun. Hello, how awesome is that? So I thought this was absolutely fantastic and picked up one of these. Ribbon. You guys will get to know me later. I love ribbon. So this is a little bit on the low side. I just got polka dots pink and blue, like for a baby. Little ribbons. And then I got some deco mesh. Here you go. There's some blue deco mesh. I just took 3. And then I did take 6 of the red, white, and blue. There we go. I did pick up some shells. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but they're so pretty, so I picked some up. Let's see here. And then I love pearls, you guys. I love pearls. I love pearls. So here we go. I picked up some of these. I do have a lot of them in different colors. I don't have this elegant, lovely pink, so I picked that up. And then they have these guys, and they are tiny. Do you guys see how tiny they are? And so these can be used on shoes, glasses, phones, whatever. And they actually give you a super glue in the back if you're going to glue them on something, you know, permanent. It looks like this does have adhesive on it because it's like a strip. Because, well, it's holding on to this paper too. So I'm pretty sure it has adhesive, but I think to hold to like glasses or something like that, they did give you the super glue as additional, you know, for additional support. All right, you guys. Phew, almost over. Now for the items, I will not be destroying. I don't think I am. I really do not think I will be destroying these. So I got these 3 pictures. Look, okay. Look at this one. I'll take them out of the little plastic thing. I mean, seriously. It would be so wrong to destroy this. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. And so this first one, it looks like, you know, some kind of perfume bottle with gorgeous flowers and gold foil on those lips. So shiny and beautiful, and just $1. You know, I remember paying for something like this $9.99, sometimes even $20.99, depends, well, you know, for bigger sizes. But this is stunning. So this next one is handbags. My other channel, I do like handbags, you know, beauty stuff. And when I saw this handbag, I was like, you guys, look at this. So this part is foiled right here. But look how absolutely stunning and beautiful. And it looks kind of like a watercolor going on over here, but it's just so stunning. And then this last one is just, yes. Yes. Here we go. Here's this third one. And it has these gorgeous pumps, lipstick, Vogue style. The fashion book right here. And look how absolutely gorgeous this is. And the gold on here is like right there on the makeup. It's around the edges of the book, on the shoes right there, lipstick. It's just absolutely stunning and beautiful. Alrighty, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this little haul, huge haul. I was trying to be funny, but I was like, that's not even funny. This is a huge haul. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.